Hi, I'm Stephanie Chivas, a United Endurance Sports Coaching Academy running coach, here today to talk about running mechanics and specifically how they can help you improve your form, and not only that, but your stride. So running mechanics matter because you can make so much improvement just by changing the littlest thing in the way your body moves while you're running. Walking is a front body activity and running is power and force. Back of the body is what we're going to concentrate on. 3 mechanical moving patterns will help you. Wherever you're at right now, you can get to a better place just by focusing on these things. The first thing is the foot landing. So typically when we land, the foot makes contact out in front of the body. Now with running, this can be problematic. Overstriding is a problem. So one important detail is which direction the foot lands. We want to correct that by getting the foot to come back to us as it lands on the ground. So my favorite trick for preventing the overstriding and running is to simply run in place. This teaches us the sensation you need to run with the foot landing below your body, not out front of your body. You can get that flying feeling when you're running. That's a great feeling. We want to keep that flying motion, and that also equates to a faster, more efficient runner. It also stops here, starts and stops at the hips and the core. So think about that. When you come off the ground with that back foot, get that heel towards the butt as soon as possible. Heel to the butt. It creates a shorter lever, and that creates more ease for running. Arm swing is very important too. So to make more efficient strides, take out the rotation of the torso, okay? Straight forward. Movement in the hip and shoulder joint. Think about driving the elbows back and kind of buffing the fingernails on the hip. Buff, buff, buff. So that's just a few small cues that can help you long term and keep you healthier and happier as a runner. So think about those things before you get out the door. And I'll have more tips like that coming up. I'll catch you on the run soon.